Welcome to the Thinkific Plus channel, your go-to resource where top experts and industry leaders share tips, insights, and advice about using online learning at scale to assist business growth. Today, we're exploring a game-changing strategy for businesses, building your very own Customer Education Academy. A Customer Education Academy is more than just a resource hub. It's a powerful tool to enhance your customers' experience, reduce churn, and drive growth. By offering structured, impactful learning experiences, you can empower your audience while aligning education with your business goals. In this video, we'll break down 1. Why a Customer Education Academy is essential in today's landscape. 2. The steps to lay a strong foundation for your academy. 3. How to create compelling content and launch your academy successfully. And finally, how to measure success and iterate for continuous improvement. Let's dive in. Why build a Customer Education Academy? Customer expectations are higher than ever. Did you know that 67% of customers prefer self-service resources over interacting with service representatives? This demand for autonomy makes customer education a must-have. An academy offers your customers 24/7 access to training, increasing product adoption, reducing support tickets, and boosting satisfaction. Plus, it creates upsell opportunities and lowers churn rates. Think of it as a win-win for you and your customers. They get seamless learning experiences, and you get more engaged, loyal users. Now, let's take a look at some examples of high-quality customer academies. First off, Hootsuite. Hootsuite, a leading social media management platform, uses Hootsuite Academy to train users on social media marketing and platform features. With Thinkific Plus, they've scaled their efforts to train over 450,000 students and partner with 800 universities worldwide. Their academy has reduced churn, increased engagement, and turned customers into brand advocates, showing the power of education to grow both their user base and their business. ChargeBee's Subscription Academy helps subscription businesses master key topics like billing and churn management. With Thinkific Plus, they've created engaging, scalable courses accessed by over 5,400 learners across 20 countries. By integrating their customer success team into the academy, ChargeBee ensures users get tailored support, making their training both impactful and customer-focused. PayShepherd, a platform for managing contractor spend, transformed their training with Thinkific Plus. In just 3 months, they saved 350 hours by moving from one-on-one training to a scalable online academy. Their academy simplifies complex topics like cost optimization and projects insights, making it easy for customers to unlock the full value of their platform. Whether you're a startup looking to onboard customers or a large enterprise aiming to enhance user engagement, let's explore how to create one that truly resonates with your audience. Laying the foundation. Every successful project begins with a solid foundation. Here's how to build yours. 1. Identify your customers. Start by identifying your primary customer segments. Understand their challenges, roles, and what they need to succeed. Their insight will shape the entire curriculum of your academy. Who are you serving? New users needing basic training or experienced customers seeking advanced knowledge? Identify your primary customer segments so you can address their specific needs. For example, beginner users, intermediate users, advanced users. 2. Set SMART goals. Your online learning program should never exist in a vacuum. It's a part of your business and should serve to drive your mission forward. Setting SMART goals and aligning your program's goals with your business objectives ensures synergy and a strong return on investment. The metrics that you should pay the most attention to depend on your goals for your business and online learning program. Your online learning program goals must align with your overarching business objectives. This ensures that every course you create, every resource you invest, and every strategy you implement for your Customer Education Academy contributes to your organization's success. 3. Build a business case. Once you have set your goals for your Customer Education Academy, you will need to secure internal support by highlighting the academy's ROI. Whether saving time on support or driving customer loyalty, you want to ensure that you align your case with solving critical business challenges. Chapter 3. Choosing the right platform. Your platform is the backbone of your customer education academy. The right choice can make your academy efficient, scalable, and impactful. Thinkific Plus stands out as a platform that simplifies course creation and delivery, empowering your team to build and launch courses with ease. Here's why the platform stands out. Ease and speed. Thinkific Plus offers dynamic course builder designed for non-technical users. Your team can create and launch a course in minutes, freeing up time to focus on crafting valuable content rather than grappling with complicated tools. Seamless integration. Easily integrate Thinkific Plus with your existing tech stack, from CRMs to marketing tools, creating a unified customer experience. Support for multiple formats. Whether it's videos, interactive quizzes, or SCORM packages, Thinkific Plus supports diverse content types, ensuring your academy caters to all learning styles. Powerful analytics. Gain actionable insights into user engagement and course performance, enabling quick iterations to meet your customer needs. With Thinkific Plus, your team can hit the ground running. From creating courses to launching your academy and iterating for success, all without the steep learning curve. Creating compelling content. Content is king in education and is key to keeping your customers engaged. To create compelling content, start by understanding your customers' specific needs and questions. Analyze customer feedback and interaction data to pinpoint areas where education could improve their experience. Here's other ways to enhance your learning content. Incorporate interactive elements like quizzes, videos, and real-world applications to keep users engaged. For instance, using scenario-based learning where customers can solve real problems using your product. Simplify complex concepts into clear, digestible segments. Avoid jargon and make your materials accessible to everyone. Align every piece of content with your brand to create a seamless, immersive experience. Offer a variety of course types. Introductory courses for beginners and more detailed explorations for advanced users. Ensure your content caters to different learning styles and speeds. Pro tip: platforms like Thinkific Plus make it easy to build courses with tools like interactive quizzes and app integrations. Employ diverse formats to cater to different learning preferences. Videos for visual learners, text for those who prefer to read, and interactive elements for hands-on learning. Ensure clarity by simplifying complex concepts and avoiding jargon. Launching your academy. Launching your academy effectively is critical. Begin with a soft launch to select a group of users to collect feedback and make necessary adjustments. Then, scale up your efforts with a full launch, using targeted marketing strategies such as email campaigns and social media calendars to attract a wider audience and generate buzz. Leverage testimonials from those early users to build credibility and attract more customers. And don't forget to prepare your customer support team to handle queries and ensure a smooth onboarding experience. Measuring success. Success doesn't stop at launch. After launch, it's vital to measure your academy's impact to keep improving, track key metrics like completion rates, engagement metrics, and customer feedback. These insights will help you continuously refine and expand your curriculum to better meet your customers' needs. Here's some metrics we recommend tracking for your customer education academy. Course completion rates, content engagement levels, support tickets and support ticket reduction. Use your platform analytics to identify what's working and refine your approach. Which courses are most popular? Where do users disengage? Use this data to iterate and improve your offering. Remember, your academy should evolve alongside your customer needs. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to take the next step to dive in deeper, download our guide to building a customer education academy. You'll get actionable tips and strategies to launch your academy and unlock your business's full potential. Hit the subscribe button and like this video for more expert insights from Thinkific Plus.